China is taking a bold step in the world of electric vehicles. The country has announced strict new safety standards for both electric and autonomous cars. These regulations are set to take effect on July 1, 2026. They represent a significant move towards ensuring the safety and reliability of electric vehicles in the world's largest automotive market. The new standards are particularly focused on battery safety. China has introduced the world's first mandatory standards requiring EV batteries to prevent fire and explosion. This is a major development, as battery safety has been a concern for both consumers and manufacturers. These regulations come at a time when China's EV market is experiencing rapid growth. New energy vehicles, which include both electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles, are selling incredibly well. They are on track to exceed the government's target of 20% of new car sales by 2025. This rapid adoption makes it even more critical to have robust safety standards in place. The Chinese government's proactive approach to EV regulation is setting a precedent for the rest of the world. By establishing these stringent safety standards, China is demonstrating its commitment to sustainable and responsible growth in the automotive industry. The new safety regulations come in the wake of several high-profile incidents involving EV fires. While statistically, EVs may not have a higher fire risk than gasoline cars, these incidents have garnered significant attention on social media and in the news. One notable incident involved a Xiaomi SU7 electric vehicle that caught fire after a collision. While the cause of the fire is still under investigation, it sparked widespread discussions about EV safety. Public perception is a powerful force, and these incidents have underlined the importance of addressing real or perceived safety concerns. China's new standards directly address these concerns head-on. By mandating stringent battery safety requirements, the government aims to restore consumer confidence and ensure the long-term viability of the EV market. The move also aligns with the government's cautious stance on autonomous driving. State media has issued advisories urging automakers not to exaggerate the capabilities of their self-driving technologies. This cautious approach underscores the government's commitment to safety as a top priority. The new safety standards are expected to have a significant impact on the Chinese EV industry. While the regulations are designed to improve safety, they will also likely lead to increased research and development costs for automakers. This could be particularly challenging for smaller and medium-sized enterprises that may not have the resources to adapt to the new requirements. As a result, industry consolidation is expected, with some smaller players potentially being pushed out of the market. However, the regulations also present an opportunity for innovation. Companies that can develop and implement cutting-edge safety technologies will have a competitive advantage. For example, battery giant CATL claims to have technologies that already meet the new standards, including its no thermal propagation technology. In the long run, the industry-wide focus on safety is expected to benefit both consumers and manufacturers. Enhanced safety can lead to lower insurance and maintenance costs, creating value and fostering trust in electric vehicle technology. China's move to implement stringent EV safety regulations has global implications. As the world's largest EV market, China's standards are likely to become a benchmark for other countries. Automakers exporting to China will need to comply with these regulations, which could influence the development of global safety standards. We may see other countries adopting similar measures, raising the bar for EV safety worldwide. Furthermore, China's focus on battery safety is likely to shape global technological priorities. Companies that invest in developing safer and more advanced battery technologies will be well positioned to succeed in the increasingly competitive EV market. In conclusion, China's new EV safety standards mark a significant step towards a safer and more sustainable future for the automotive industry. While the regulations present challenges, they also offer opportunities for innovation and industry growth. By prioritizing safety, China is setting the stage for the global adoption of electric vehicles and paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable transportation future.